everybody, my name is Isabella and I'm here today to show you how to make something really fun. Do you know that Bridge Kid is going to be 3 years old at the end of July? That's right. So we are going to be making a piñata. Are you ready? The materials you need are brown paper bag, tissue paper, scissors, tape, colored strings, glue, white string, EVA scraps. So the first thing you're going to do is to fill your bag with all the fun things you have. You just want to make your bag really big. Then close and glue at the top. Cut 2 small holes on the top. And now it's time to decorate the outside of our piñata. I'm going to show you how to cut the tissue paper. Put the paper together, one on top of the other, and use the scissors to cut up from the bottom up to make the fringes. Now glue or tape one color at a time, starting at the bottom. Tape all the way around and start with a new color going all the way up. Use your EVA scraps to decorate as you wish. Be creative. Next step is to hang the color strings on the bottom using tape, just to make it fun. And now it's time to add our white string at the top to hang. And there you go, your piñata is ready. Just find a good place to hang it and have fun.